let's learn the future today. So, can you see, will you go to university when you grow up? Yes, I will. No, I won't. I will get married. That's in the future. I will. I won't get married. Okay? Good.
Okay.
So, there are 2 worksheets for you. Can you see these worksheets? Good. You need to write down I will or I won't. What will you do in the future? Just write I will or I won't. And for example, write a novel. This is number 1. Where is write a novel here? It's here. So you can write the letter here too. Second part of the worksheet. Can you see this worksheet? You can play with your mom and dad or with your brother and sister. You need to tick or cross what you will or won't do in the future. And this is your mom or your dad. Then you need to guess what your dad or mom will or won't do in the future. And then when you finish, you can play and ask your mom and dad, Mom, will you travel the world? And she says, yes, I will. If she says, yes, I will, and you've got yes, I will, you've got a point. And she can do the same with you, or your dad can do the same with you. And at the end, you need to count the points that you have. Who will be the winner? I don't know. Enjoy the worksheet. Bye-bye.